MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
The theory behind vehicles like our 2019 Kia Niro PHEV is fairly simple. EV when you need it, hybrid when you don't. Well, after collecting 9,300 miles of data and analyzing it for 6 months, we conclude that it's more than just a valid proposition, but a very flexible and even entertaining way to get around.
What I like about the Niro PHEV is that I can just bump the shifter over into sport mode and use all available power for merging onto highways or just jumping out into a busy intersection. It takes a lot of the stress out of getting up to speed quickly. But once I am up to speed, I can just pop the shifter back over and then just cruise in hybrid or even all-electric mode.
Our current average sits at 57.9 miles per gallon, and since it can be easily charged overnight from a regular 120-volt household outlet, there's no need to pay for a level 2 charger. We'll see how charged up we are about our newest long-term, this Toyota RAV4 Hybrid.